Guys, this is Patrick from Galata Mountain Farmer back with another video today. So today my lads are going to come out and suck the slurry from the septic tank. I'll take you along for that process. I'm wrecked from myself getting up. I don't know what I'm saying to you, so I just don't have any filter right now, so just bear in mind that when you watch this video that, oh look, Patrick just got up out of bed, so pardon him for today. What I gotta do now is go down there and check is the gap open without falling into the tank. That won't be a problem anyway. Oh God. I feel like I'm drunk. No, not that I know what that is, but I feel like I have a hangover because I've observed people having a hangover. Not because I've had one. If I've had one of them, we'd have had a problem. I think I can hear one of my boys on the way, so with my eye out, so the gap is open. I'm going to bring it back a little bit though, because I have to drive in a John Deere. And I don't know which slurry tank they'll bring. They could bring the big, huge slurry tank, the Connor slurry tank. I'll bring this all over here now, guys. You see me? You understand? A little bit tricky. I'm going to test the wheelbarrow. And I guess while I'm holding the camera, it will be great. Sorry guys. Now, there we go. Doesn't pull the wheelbarrow away with it. That will be good. Next thing I'm going to take it off that tension. Now, I'm going to check some other stuff before the boys arrive. So, I'll take you along for that process. Oh God, I'm wrecked. As you can see, I'm wearing my uniform, my blues. Well, they're not my blues. I suppose you could say they're my greens. We gotta start planting our garden this year. Doubtful though that I'll be making such a big garden as I had last. Oh no, I didn't actually. Doubtful I'll be making a huge garden because I have to assemble the greenhouse. Well, actually I have to build it. So take along for that process. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Now, check here for a second. Yeah, see it. It shan't be long. I'll be back in 2 seconds, guys. Anyone here? No? Okay. Right. No, lads, I don't have the coronavirus. Trust me to God, I don't have the coronavirus. I'm waiting for these guys now. They're late. And this will be taken up with their superior. I'm only messing. I won't vouch for like that. And the electric fence, I'm taking it all down. No, I wired it all wrong. Or incorrect. It's all earth. If I attach that to my friend's fence, it'll suck every bit of electricity out of his fence and put it into mine. Shh. You have to conduct or insulate all the posts so that you put down. You see that, or otherwise it won't work. And you can see the grass is mowed. We're going to be getting the ditches scraped as well with our friend. He has a digger. I'm going to check on the heifers again every day. So over here. Can you see them? But they are over there. You can kind of see them. Anyway. Oh. Yeah, I'm so tired I don't know what to write right now. Okay, let's move. Oh God. Okay. I'm actually just so tired. I can't even remember what time I went to bed last night. Anyway, guys, that's not what this channel is about. Barn construction. Not much else has happened. Just been too busy. I'm waiting for these little babies to come along. I'm really missing. I'm waiting for my fellas to come on. Shh. I'll let you out in a second. But the slurry thing. I'm gonna suck the slurry out. He said I went to the boss yesterday, and he said that yeah, we'll suck it out tomorrow. So he said today is tomorrow. Well, today is what he meant. Well, it's only 11:15, so give him a bit of time, huh? Now, guys, I'm gonna pause you guys until it actually occurs. We're getting fellas. Can't see. I'll be back now. See him? John Deere tractor, hedge cutting. Back at high. There are my friends cutting away at the ditch here. 6928, huh? Good tractor. This is a surprise, huh? Oh yes it is. I'll be back in a while. A slurry tank and a hedge cutter, huh? I mean that is something, surely. Look at this guy. This is my lad now. So hi guys, back again. Just wanted to thank you all for watching this video. Action-packed day, sure. Back again tomorrow and Saturday for more videos, and obviously the rest of the 30 days. I just wanted to thank you for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy this, because this is a bit out of the ordinary. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. As always, subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.